ano-ano. Ayaw namin ng leader na ganyan. Wala akong binabanggit na gano'n. Sinabi ko, ayaw ko lang ng leader na ganyan. That's why I want to correct the misconception. When I said I do not like the dictatorial types, I wasn't referring to the current leadership of the Senate. I was just saying I don't like dictatorship-style leadership for the Senate, wherein isa lang tao ang magdidesisyon at bahala na kayo sa buhay ninyo. Kung gusto nyo, debatihan nyo ako sa senaryo. Remember, as I mentioned, the Supreme Court, kanina, sabi ko, lahat ng abogado gusto maging member ng Supreme Court. Okay. Lahat ng member ng Supreme Court, ang leader niyan, you call primus inter pares. Correct, attorney? Primus inter pares only means that you are first among equals. Ibig sabihin, you are equal. The same as everybody. You're only tasked to be the presiding officer of the Senate. You should not have control of whatever
suko na yung grupo ninyo? Mukhang
Hindi naman suko na kasi, I don't know. That's okay. It's okay with me. I treat them with respect. That's par for the course. We're in politics. Of course, in politics, there's no permanent friends,
No permanent
enemies, only permanent interests. So,
Pero yun nga sir, since meron na nga si SP Cheese ng majority, mukhang malabo na si SP Soto for now.
for now, yes. But you know, we're open to another third force. Baka may dark horse dyan na gustong tumayo. Why not? We talked about it sa grupo namin. If there's a dark horse that will come out, that's not necessarily us four, we're willing to support. Because basta ang pangako lang niya ay transparency at integridad ng Senado. Yan ang mahalaga. Ang integridad ng Senado at isunod ang mga rules, mga batas, mga tinatawag natin traditions ng Senado.
But as for SP Soto, medyo malabo for the opening of 20th Congress.
Well, as all the pronouncements of my friends from the other side is that they have the numbers, so be it.
But anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Remember that mid-year 2026, 2027, anything can happen. So, what is important is like-minded senators will get together and decide one day that if they're satisfied with the leadership or not. Our bloc is ready to support.
Okay, Camille.
Senator, yung impeachment po talaga is very divisive. Alam po natin yan sa buong bansa actually. Is support or opposition to VP Duterte's impeachment becoming a proxy battle in the race for Senate presidency?
Ano po yun?
Kasi yung race po, ito po bang impeachment kay VP Duterte?
Malaking
ito po ba
bagay
ang
yun.
proxy battle para
She's still the number one in all the surveys that I've seen in the last 3 weeks. She's still the number one leading candidate. The last one nakita ko 35% siya at nandun si Bongo at 14%. So kung tanggalin mo yung Bongo at tanggalin mo yung Bongo factor dun, that's about 49%. So siyempre hindi naman yung boboto kay Bongo, boboto kay Sara din yun. So kung tanggalin mo yung numero ni Bongo, siya pa rin ang majority candidate o magiging number one candidate. So yeah, some people, that's what they look at. They're looking at it as a race to remove her from office. And once impeached, she will be banned from running for public office. So of course, that's one way of looking at it. But then again, let's see. Mahirap magsalita. I'm a senator judge now. So, as a senator judge, I don't want to put out any cards at the moment. And we'll see what happens when we go along.
Yung labanan po ba na to, Senator, is about yung mga gustong magtuloy ng impeachment at saka yung gusto na yung ayaw magtuloy? Will it be
Feeling ko,
a big issue?
pag umpisa natin itong July 28, the preceding day, or the next day rather, July 29, there probably will be debates on the impeachment process. I think fundamental question is, itutuloy ba? Bakit tatanong ng presiding officer or tatanong ng Senate President yan? I leave it to the body, itutuloy ba? So yan ang botohan, kung itutuloy ba o hindi. I think ganun ang mangyayari dyan. So, we'll see, no, kung sinong mananaig, sinong mananalo.
Okay.
Sir, do you think yung Senate presidency was decided along the lines of impeachment?
My silence is deafening. I don't confirm nor deny.
Last
Pero
two-
syempre, ano yun, par for the course yun. Diba?
Last two
Alam mo, sa
questions.
politics lang ha,
Okay,
Ate
sir.
Sally, scratch my back, I scratch your
Yeah.
back. Ganun lang naman yan, di ba? So, ano yun?
Teka, last two questions from Danielle and then from Rappler and then, kay Raymond pa. Okay.
Okay. Senator, so far, base dun sa nakukuha namin, the Senate leadership is a done deal as of now, right? But the opening of the 20th
Anything
Congress...
can still happen, guys, ha?
Yeah.
Anything can still happen.
Still
I
3
mean,
weeks
there's
away.
2 weeks to go. Maybe one of the blocks there will see us. So, we're not saying it's a done deal.
Yeah.
Although, signature-wise, I think it is. Marami nang pumirma doon.
Sa resolution.
Pero sa resolution, I think may over 13 na sila. But anything can still happen between now till 2028. So, I mean, July 28. July 28.
Center mo, no?
Inom muna ako ng kape. Kakape muna ako. Ay, hindi ko gumagalaw yung kaampo. Ha?
Oo.
Wala na ako. Retired na ako nun. Do you know?
Okay, tapos ka na, Rappler?
Meron pa. Sorry, sir, so...
So it's
what-
still possible.
Yeah,
Anything can
it's
still happen.
possible.
Yes.
So what do you think will turn the tide for Chis Escudero or Soto? Ano ba yung possible pa na maganap in the lead up to the opening of the 20th Congress that could possibly change the decision for now?
Well, I can't say. I mean, they all have to examine their conscience on who they want to support. Diba? Ganun lang naman yan. It's an individual decision. Although it's by blocks. We all know there's a 7-man block, the Duterte block. The Duterte block can join us. There were already 12. All we need is one. That's 13. Diba? They can join Cheese, then they have the number. So, there's also the other block. There's the Cayetano block. So, maraming bloke dun eh. So,
Nililigawan niyo yung Duterte Block?
dalawa pero kasama din, mga kasama din sila. Well, for example, there's also the Tulfo block, dalawa. Cayetano block, dalawa.
Pero pumirma na daw.
Hindi, yung Estrada block.
Villar Block. Estrada Block.
Well, I guess yung seatmates na naiwan doon, 3 sila. Diba? So, I mean, for example, if the seatmates all of a sudden decide to come back to us, then that's 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus, let's say we get the Cayetano block, that's 7, 8, 9. So we just have to get 3 more. I mean,
Duterte
things
block.
can still happen. Things can still happen. Nothing is, we're not surrendering at this point in time. Basta importante lang dito sa grupo namin, gusto sana namin protektahan ang integridad ng Senado. Maawa na kayo, bugbog ng Senado. Bugbog sa matang tao, bugbog ng Senado. So,
Never say die kayo.
never say die. Iron Eagle.
Okay. Danielle, then Raymond, and then Myla.
Kanta yan eh.
Sir, good afternoon. Sir, paano kung kayo yung lumaban do sa Senate presidency? May chance ba na makuha nyo yung Duterte block? And since sa Mindanao naman po kayo.
I don't want to talk about numbers at this point in time, partner. Mahirap ng pag-usapan yan kasi magsalita ako, mahirap na.
Sir, yung sa impeachment lang, sinabi nyo rin kanina na parang tutol kayo na tumawid. Dapat end na sa 19 Congress. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-start yung 20th Congress at talahayin yung impeachment, hindi nyo na mabaharangin.
Hindi na. Well, pag din-decision yung grupo na ituloy ang diskusyon, we have to continue with the process. We have to continue with the process.